babetha ngenyawo phasi bathi umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa kayindawo. Bathi inengi malombuso yejiweko enarheni le kodwa umengameli wayibuyisa. Amalunga la athi umnqopho womtjhagalo lo ukusekela umengameli endabeni yokwetjiwa kwemali emadola eplasini lakhe iphalaphala begodu baphikisana namanye amalunga athi umengameli akadede esikhundleni sakhe. Abalandeli bakaRamaphosa bathi umbiko we-section 89 ukhutshwe ngombana bafuna ukulikambiso ye-conference ye-ANC lapho umengameli ayozibawela khona amavoti wokufumanisa iba lesibili lokurhola ihlangano le.
Currently, we're just dealing with the iyaraga, and then we're therefore questioning the timing of the report. Why were they pushed to release the report so early before the conference? It was also followed by a bogus national executive committee that didn't follow the procedure, where it was supposed to start with the top 6, the National Working Committee, and the NEC today.
Gandhi akhona namanye amalunga wehlangano le athi umengameli uRamaphosa kufanele ehle esikhundleni sakhe ukwenzela ukuqalana nendaba yephalaphala.
Those findings show that he has a serious prima facie case to answer, and under the circumstances we must insist that Cyril Ramaphosa must face that case and that he has to now step down in order to answer.
Nasize moyeni umhlangano wamalunga phezulu we-ANC wona bowusarage nazireke Johannesburg apha. Kanti omunye umhlangano we-ANC uzokubanjwa mhla amalanga 14 kiyo inyanga le.